Hey there. Welcome to my garden. Thanks for joining me in the apothecary today. Today I'm putting a couple things together for 2 orders that came in. This is the beginning of my Rose Kisses oil blend. To make the infused oil, I measure out my dried roses, powder them and rehydrate them with 100 proof vodka. And then I add jojoba oil and infuse for a few weeks, depending on my method. Then I add in dried rose petals to a fresh bottle. Lavender essential oil, geranium essential oil, rose essential oil. Now I add 1/2 of jojoba oil infused with rose and 1/2 jojoba oil infused with calendula. A little vitamin E. Isn't it beautiful? I love the look of the rose petals floating in the oil, and it adds so much yumminess to the smell too. This oil is amazing for the skin. Mother Nature is truly magical, isn't she? There's something about just putting my bare feet on the earth that feels so good. Getting to know the plants and making friends with the elements just feels so right. It just makes me feel like a kid again. Blessings, friends, and thank you for joining me in the apothecary today. If you want to learn more about playing with herbs and plants and making healthy, yummy treats at home, you can check out my Herbalism for Beginners playlist or check out my herbal oils class in the description below if you want to make herbal oils like the ones I share in this video. Lots of love.